Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting dictation now, so open the Notes app and choose or create the note you want to fill. Tap into the text field to show the keyboard, then tap the microphone icon near the space bar. This engages the iOS dictation engine. Speak naturally and include punctuation words, say comma or period, so the transcript matches your intent. Once Apple confirms listening, pause briefly between sentences to let the system process input, and watch words appear as you speak. Once dictation is active, you'll use a few controls to shape output. Switch keyboards if you need a different language or voice model, because the keyboard selection affects recognition accuracy. Use deliberate short pauses to force sentence boundaries, and say punctuation or new line commands to structure text. If mistakes appear, tap to edit inline or speak corrections. Make sure to tap Done or the keyboard icon to stop dictation before navigating away, because leaving it open can insert. To finish, review the entire note and make manual edits where recognition erred. Tap a word to replace or select a phrase to rewrite. If dictation mistakes are frequent, use it regularly so predictive models adapt, and ensure your iPhone language and keyboard match your speech. If dictation stops responding, go to Settings, General Keyboard, and toggle Enable Dictation off, then on. Restart the app if needed. This resolves most issues, but also check microphone access and ambient noise before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.